FileNow Honest Review. Watch before using. FileNow is an online service designed for individuals and businesses who want to streamline their document filing, especially for legal paperwork like LLC formations, tax documents, and corporate filings. The platform is built for ease of use, offering a simple interface that guides you step by step through what can often be a confusing and stressful process. FileNow was created for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and even solo practitioners who may not have the resources to hire expensive lawyers or accountants to handle paperwork. One of the key features of FileNow is its speed. The platform claims to accelerate filing processes, meaning you can get your LLC or corporation established faster than if you went through traditional channels. Another standout feature is their customer support. FileNow offers dedicated assistance throughout the filing process, so even if you're unsure about a form, you can get real-time help from their team. They also offer services like EIN acquisition and registered agent services, which are essential for anyone starting a business in the US. However, it's important to note that FileNow is not the cheapest service out there. If you're on a tight budget and have the know-how to file on your own, this platform may not offer enough value for its price. That said, for those who prefer a hassle-free experience and need reassurance that their paperwork is done correctly, FileNow is worth the investment. It's particularly useful for people who are first-time business owners and need extra hand-holding through the legalities of setting up a business. In summary, FileNow is a solid platform for streamlining legal filings, especially for small business owners who want a fast, user-friendly, and reliable solution. While it might not be the cheapest option, its ease of use and customer support make it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize convenience and accuracy in their business setup.